So I'm over here in Waverly. You got whatever river or riverbed that comes through here under the bridge, right? Look at the state of these vehicles. I mean, they're just fucking mangled. Look at this truck. I don't know what kind of condition this truck was in before the flood, but it obviously got worse. Getting forced down the river. I mean, the fucking door panel is ripped out. Hard telling if there was an engine in here to begin with. Looks like the motor mount's ripped out of it, so not sure. This goddamn, I guess it's a Dodge Durango, but man, that thing looks like it was just pulverized. Fucking crazy, man. Crazy. You can see the undermining on the road. Fucking holes just ate everything. Serious amount of force it took to do that damage. Crazy.